Hello there, Xtreme Clippers. Today is Sunday, but today I'm coming to you from California. I did move to Nevada, but I'm here today because I'm ready for some change. So, going to change my hair. I did already cut off about 3 inches. I told you before I'm doing my transition to natural. And one thing that I did that I found is actually really helpful is that the last time I relaxed my hair was about 4 months ago, and that was the last time I dyed my hair. So all of my dyed hair, as you can see, is like this reddish brown color, and my natural hair is black. And look, I have gray hair. Oh, see, I told you guys I have gray hair. Like, I have a ton of gray hairs. So I'm going to wait to re-dye my hair until I cut off all of the perm. But I'm super excited for some change today, so stay tuned and watch how I transform.
Yeah,
oh, it still has a lot of length, even though I chopped some off.
Yeah, right? Yeah, you definitely have length. Yeah.
Oh, wow. Ah. Very exciting. But now I'm like, now it's almost like that moment of truth where I'm like, it's time for the cut.
Yes.
The moment of truth. Going to start with the cut.
Hi.
Hi, Ronnie.
Hello. So we're gonna cut off some good length off of Dara's hair. We're gonna give her a nice little makeover. Yeah.
Can you see it?
Yeah. So I'm gonna start here. Alright.
Cut time. Oh, I hear scissors.
Oh yeah. So you got like this right here.
Oh wow. Exciting.
New change.
Yes, change is good.
Definitely
it's good.
Oh, it feels already fresh already.
Yay!
Yay!
Bye, my hair.
My hair. Hello, hair.
Hello. Makes me super exciting and like nervous at the same time. But I know it's going to be amazing.
Oh yeah.
Cut off all the permed hair. Going natural, slowly but
natural,
surely.
yeah.
Haircut, like
cut.
yes,
yeah.
and on my own like will, yeah, because I've had it cut before, but it was because it was very, very damaged. Now it's like cut it off.
Cut it all off.
Change is coming.
Exactly.
It'll be kind of exciting to see how much hair is on the floor too when it's done.
So good.
Yes.
And I think that. Oh, sorry. Yeah.
Oh,
goodbye,
okay.
hair.
Goodbye. Wow, that's a lot.
Yeah.
I didn't realize how much hair I actually had.
Right.
Into the shape, yes. Just a little sneak preview. I'm gonna stop so that way you can see the whole finished product. Here is my finished look, and I absolutely love it. And I'll have to have Ronnie help me to show the back of the hair.
Oh yeah.
Thank you, Ronnie. I love it. Come on.
Alright, so here's Dara with her amazing, cute little do. Oh wow, and it has like movement. And yeah, turn over for us and show us your cute little face. Oh yeah, if you swing it like that, it definitely has motion. Yeah.
I love this. Oh, I freaking love it. And I can do little, swing behind the ear, swing it back. Fresh new do, cut off. A good like, about how many inches do you think we cut off today?
We cut off like, I think like 3 or 4.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yay! It's so fresh.
Thank you,
You're
Ronnie.
welcome. Yes.
See?